welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice for those who are new here, and today's video I'm going to be doing this crimped hairstyle look. I've been really loving this hairstyle lately, but yes, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm going to be using my straightener, and we're just gonna create waves with the straightener, so I'll show you. By the way, this is from me washing it last night, and I just kept it up in a bun, so a high bun, and then it just became really curly. But my natural hair is just straight, dead straight. It's just really boring. So I'm gonna have to straighten this out first because it's just really knotty right now, so I can't really crimp my hair. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to use heat on your hair, I suggest you apply some heat defense or any heat protector on your head before you start straightening it or crimping it or using any heat on it. I personally don't really use stuff like that, but you should use it. My hair is pretty dead, like, just, I don't know if you can tell, but it's so knotty. Just to let you know, I barely comb my hair out. I just don't brush my hair. You'll find that a lot of my hair will fall out because I just don't comb my hair or brush my hair. So you'll just see a lot of my hair lying everywhere you go. It's like anywhere you go, anywhere I go, you will find that a couple strand of hairs lying there. It's just so bad. Look, right now, even me straightening my hair, you can see they're like pieces of my hair just coming out. It's so bad. So I'm just gonna grab random sections of my hair and then I'm just gonna start crimping it. So what you want to do, grab your straightener and then you're gonna have to turn it one way, pull for 1 second, turn it the other way, pull down again, and then turn it the other way, pull down. Keep doing that until you reach the end, and then you got your little crimpy wave there. Can't really see on that one, I'll show you on the top. So grab a random section and then you want to turn it one way and then turn it the other way, pull down a bit, and then turn it the other way, pull down again, and then just keep doing that until you reach the end, and then you got your little crimp wave here. You just want to keep doing that throughout your whole hair. was how I do my crimped hairstyle. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what I post. Comment below what you guys want me to do next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys.